Hi there, Greg King here, and welcome to How to Make Money on YouTube Without Making Videos, How to Not Spend Money on Google Ads. In this brief video, I'm going to go over the 4 major objections that advertisers have with Google Ads. Then I'm going to show you a system how you can step around that and place countless ads on the first page of Google and YouTube, as many as you want, for free. And then in a moment, I'm going to put a link on the screen and also in the comment section of how you can get my detailed 10-part series on how you can rank on the first page of Google in mere minutes. And I'll also put a link in the screen and also in the comment section of how you can take advantage of Paul Murphy's Affiliate Tube Success Academy training. So now you've got your online business platform all set up with your emails and your domains. You've got your product, whether it be an e-commerce product through Shopify or eBay or Amazon, or whether it be an affiliate plan that you've actually set everything up. What the instructors and the people that are selling these products don't really address is the extreme cost of advertising. And this is one of the gripes that most people have that have very limited success or no success with their online business. And the first thing is, to start out with, you need a large budget. The second thing is, you'll get a lot of unqualified traffic that you're paying for. The third, if you don't stop your campaign, it runs indefinitely. And I don't know if you found that, but I have. I've had a big surprise with my Visa when I've got a $1,200 expense on my, a charge because I forgot to turn off my ad. The next is, Google is very strict on the ad types that they can, or that you can run. And I didn't mention this as the 5th thing, but you know what? You can get banned so darn easy. Now I'm going to go a little deeper into this and start off with, you'll need a large budget. And as you can see by this, this is $200 a month. You can see that all these ads really literally add up, and you can spend literally hundreds and hundreds of dollars a month on ads. And if you have more than one product, double it or triple it. And then as you can see here, these ads are awesome, but poorly performing when you're spending $178 on one product, and you start spending $100 here, $200 there, $300 there. Pretty soon it is a very costly venture, and pretty soon you have more month at the end of the money. Now, you'll get a lot of underqualified traffic, and it just shows in the statistics that as you're starting out, you get a lot of people that you're paying for the clicks. I mean, you might be paying anywhere between 75 cents to $2 a click, depends on where you put it. And a lot of these clicks will just look at it because they're kicking tires. Now, the next thing you'll see here is the percentages here are very little, like they're incredibly low, but you're still paying for these clicks. So if you don't stop your campaign, this is the killer. It'll start running indefinitely. And you can see here, this one had 431 interactions. It cost $24 per click. This is $30 per click, and they had 13 clicks. 24 clicks, it was $33 a click. That starts to add up dramatically. Now, Google is also very strict on the ad types they run. And I'm just going to go over briefly. You can stop it and read it. But they're very specific on, they want to make sure that all the advertising is clean, and rightly so. There's no gray sites, or there's nothing that will cause anyone to complain about it. So I mean, even if your product, it must be, and it's in the unsaid that you want to make sure that your product is integrity. But you can see here, they'll just all of a sudden strip your ads if they don't want it. Now, that being said, Google's a heck of a lot better than Facebook, because Facebook will just, what they'll do is they'll accept your ad and they'll allow it. Then 24 hours later, they'll just say, no, it doesn't meet their policy standards. And they won't tell you why. They'll just say, no, redo it. So you can get banned incredibly easy. Now, I didn't mention this, but this is a bonus complaint for advertisers on Google Ads. And that is, you put all your hard work, your money, all the product, everything set up, and you start advertising, you start to put some money into it, and all of a sudden, you've infringed on their policy of something, and they don't really tell you about it. They just say, no, can't do it, you can't do it. So what are you going to do? You got to try another platform to advertise? Well, it's a lot of money that you've already spent. And it's very frustrating. Now, that being said, I'm going to shift gears slightly, and this is going to get into what I'm going to show you some examples of. And that is when I started looking at Google 5 years ago, when I started searching and researching them. They said 5 years ago that websites will be a thing of the past, and what's going to be the new search engines will be YouTube, videos and also podcasts. So I thought, okay, let's just take a look at this and see. So I'm into the photography and I have a Nikon, so I just put how to take great pictures, and it automatically populated with the Nikon D3500. And I thought, it's not a real big deal. I'll just take a look and see what happens. So I clicked it, and sure enough, on the first bit of the search, there was a website, Dummies, which is, it's a great book. That's that yellow book that you can buy at Noble or Chapters, wherever. Then after that, the rest of the page literally is videos. Not just videos, but YouTube videos. Now, what caused me to actually take a look and go a little deeper is, well, YouTube and Google are the same company. YouTube and Google are the largest platform for searching in the world. Now, what is interesting is it's a correlation. It's incredibly easy to see when you take a look at it, and you can see the diamond in the rough. If you make some YouTube videos, and it's usually about a handful of videos, those will migrate over to Google, and they will actually place. And if you place them correctly using the steps that I'm going to show you, it's incredibly easy. And you don't have to be a computer scientist or a geek. In fact, when it comes to computers, I know just enough to be dangerous. So the question that comes up is this. Knowing you have a system where you have zero chance of losing, would you look at it and take a look and see whether it makes sense for your business? Because what it can do with the links I'm going to put in the video and also in the comment section, you can have results like this. And this is me. And I organically posted it. It's free ads. And it's on the first page of YouTube, the first page of Google, and it also is on the carousel on #1. And guess what? It took just 3 minutes, which is incredible. You don't have to wait 5 or 6 or 7 months for anything to organically do. With this system I'm going to show you, and you can take advantage of, you can do it in mere minutes. Second one is, here's the Google carousel or the Google billboard again. I've got the top 3 spots when I did a search. Now, I'm in Mexico currently, so this is a Mexican Google search, so Todos is all. And you come over here to videos, and I've literally put a stranglehold on all the videos on this search. Now, how cool would that be for your business? If someone did a search, your company would show up #1, literally on the first page of everything, and also on the first page of Google. Now, not only that, but you can do this over and over and over again with different products in your business. And you can do it for free. And it stays up there. If you follow these steps, you've got longevity. Now, the question is, yeah, but you're going to have to. No, you don't. I'm going to cut it off right there. You don't need many subscribers. In fact, when I was doing this video here, I only had 35 subscribers, and I was getting rankings of #1, 2, and 3 on the initial search, and also the top 6 on the actual the video search. And as you see, 35 subscribers is not much. The next thing is, yeah, but you need a lot of views. Well, you don't. You can see here I had 16 views, and this is after 28 minutes, and I became #1. Now, this video, I just put this up because I had my videos not deleted, but deactivated from Facebook after I paid for them, and 24 hours later, they deactivated them. So I just made a real... I got on my soapbox and I just made a video about it. So the question that comes in once again is, knowing you have a system where you have zero chance of losing, would you do it? So as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I'm going to put a couple of links in the screen and also in the comment section of how you can actually access my detailed 10-part system on how to rank on the first page of Google and YouTube within mere minutes. And it's going to look like this. you'll come to the screen where it says, where shall I send your free 10-part series? So all you need to do is put in your first name, your best email address, and hit the button. And then over the next 10 days, I'm going to be sending you out videos of how you can take advantage of this system and how you can rank your business on the first page of Google and YouTube, like literally within minutes and for free and unlimited time. Now, I'll also show you the link to Paul's course, and it's going to look like this. Now, the second link I put in the screen and also in the comment section is Paul Murphy's Affiliate Tube Success Academy. And for just starting at $397, you can actually take advantage of his training. And as you've probably seen at the beginning of the video, $397 does not go very far when it comes to YouTube and Google ads. And for this, he'll show you how to actually do ads where you get on the first page of Google, YouTube, and the Google carousel. And you can do it for free, and you can do it as many times as you want. So you can just start here for $397, and it goes through all the ranking systems and the proven magic traffic funnel systems, and it's a whole source of incredible value. Now, I would invite you to check out both links in the next day or two and see if it makes sense for your business or not. You be the judge to see if these two items would increase the value of your business, increase your profits, also increase your traffic to your business, and also decrease the cost of doing ads. Now, that being said, please hit the like button, the subscribe button so you don't miss another one of my videos. Also leave a comment below and let me know if this resonates with you or pushes some buttons that you've been spending a ton of money on Google ads and having very little results. Now, that being said, I wish you an extraordinary day, and we hope to see you in the next video. You take care.